Hello, everybody. If this is your first or second time on this channel, welcome to Sonia G95 DNH channel. So, I will be sharing with you how to make DIY roses water. There are so many ways to make rose water. Well, this is the faster and easier way to make rose water at home. Let's dive right into the video. While rinsing out these pink rose petals, I am also making sure it's not staying longer time in this water because I am not using this water again. And guys, I am just letting this roses petals stay in this screener for a little while I am preparing the other stuff for this DIY roses water. Alright, you can use 2 roses stem in this DIY, but since I am running low on roses, so I decided to use just 1 rose stem. And guys, the measurement, everything's gonna be in the description below. Check it out. So while the water is boiling, I'm gonna add in that rose petals and I'm gonna turn off the stove and let it steam. You don't have to do a timer. You can just let the water cool down, then you remove like the rose petals. All right, ladies, here are some benefit for using rose water in hair care. Rose water treats smelting hair and scalp. Rose water reduce dryness in the hair. Rose water reduce dandruff. Rose water reduce frizzy and dry hair problem. Rose water improve hair growth. Rose water maintain the hair porosity level. Rose water repair damaged hair. The vitamins in rose water is A, B3, C, E. Rose water is amazing. I just love the smell, guys. I am just squeezing that rose petals, trying to get all that nutrients into the water. All right, so the other tool I am using right here is mini to mash garlic if you want to mash your garlic, but I'm trying to squeeze all that nutrients into the rose water and I don't want to use my finger, and I do not have no glove right now. As I always say in my DIY, make sure the bottle or the jar you put in your DIY in is all clean. All right, after I am done making, shaking, squeezing this DIY rose water, I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Be careful with the glycerin there. We don't want too much there. You can even add half teaspoon of glycerin instead of 1, because if you add too much glycerin, it's gonna make your hair hard and dry. So guys, I am just adding in some dry rose petals. Oh well, you don't have to add in this dry rose petals, but I'm just trying to spice things up. That's why I decided to. And guys, I did add a little bit of my DIY aloe vera hairspray into this mixture. That's why you see it looking like a little bit pink then dark red. Yes, that's the same DIY I'm going to be spraying on my hair. Yes, so what I'm doing here is I did put my hair into 4 sections and I take down one of that section and like use my fingers and do like a light finger detangle. Then after that, I spray that DIY rose water on my hair. I'm going to spray also on my roots and my ends. Yes, massage that product on my hair. After that, then I'm going to use a little bit of my DIY grease. Apply that grease on my hair. After that, I put my hair into the jumbo box spray. I got a video on this channel me doing a box spray. The link gonna be below this video. Alright, as I was saying, rose water reduce dandruff, it balance the pH level in the hair and skin. Rose water stop the hair from being greasy. Alright, let's talk about box spray. I've been loving box spray from the good old days to the bad old days. Box spray is really helpful for full C natural hair, especially, I'm going to say it again, winter month. Winter month, the place is super cold. My hair shrink, not just shrink, it get dry all the time. The best way to stop your hair from getting dry or light, put in your butter, use your rose water, then you go in with your box spray. You cannot moisturize your hair during the winter time and just let your hair out and like flying away. You need to like put it into the cornrow braid or the box spray or the two-strand twist. Protect your hair during the winter month and it will love you back. So this is what I usually do during the winter month with my natural full C hair, guys. Well, since I'm using rose water, let's just use the rose water for an example. I will spray in the rose water, then I go in with my grease. After that, I massage the product all through my hair. And sometimes I will go in with my Hasaim double buttercream. Yes, guys. Apply that product through my hair well. After I finish doing that, then I will like put my hair into box spray. This is the end of this video. If you do enjoy it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.